Easton University /goals. You guys have access to it in the portal. It's right in there. There's a template, okay? Don't just do the template. Use the template as a template. Make your own vision board of what you're working for. Make your own goals, type them out, okay? And then literally write them out every morning as if they've already occurred. That's going to be a cathartic experience for you. It's going to zone and lock you in. Before you get on this poison, okay, write your goals down. Look at your check boxes.
What do you mean by as they already happened?
As if they've already happened, okay?
What's the language?
Yeah, so the language is, I have a number of individual members on Easton University. I'm not going to say what that number is, because it's going up, okay? But I have blank, no, let's say it's 10,000. I have 10,000, it's less than 10,000 on this goal sheet. It'll be 10,000 soon. But I'm writing, I have 10,000 individual members on Easton University. I am not writing, I want 10,000 individual members. I'm not writing, I'm going to have 10,000 individual members. I have 10,000 individual members. For 12 freaking years of my life, I have a black belt in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. I have a black belt in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. I started writing that when I had a white belt with no stripes on it. It took me a long ass time to get a black belt, but I wrote that down every day. Don't write it down anymore because I have black belt. I'm on to the next thing. But until I complete that mission, I am writing it down as if I've already achieved it. Because if I write, I'm going to have a black belt in Jiu-Jitsu, it's up for debate. But if I write it and say it, I have a black belt in Jiu-Jitsu, I'm going to act as if. And then everything else is just in place.
Well, it's writing that check. It's writing that check to yourself.
100%. And to steal it like from Kobe, the contract is already signed. I am locked in until, on this particular sheet, I'm locked in until 12/31/25. Sign the agreement with myself. I'm either getting that damn house or I'm going to die trying. I am locked in until 12/31/25. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence. But it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.